Hi, Lou Manfredini, Aces Home Expert. We're all looking to save some money, right? And cutting the cord, canceling your cable service, might be one of them. I have some tips and some products to help you do it. When it comes to cutting the cable, what you need is a really good antenna. Now, what's important is that most modern day flat screen TVs have what's called a digital tuner built into the television set. You do have to verify that fact before you go purchase any one of these antennas. And if you still have the owner's manual around, that will denote that. Or you can just search the model number online to verify that, in fact, you have a digital tuner inside there. Then after that, it's as simple as connecting the cable to the antenna port on the back. They all have a place where you would connect the cable to, and there's three different kinds of antennas here. There's this smaller unit, very affordable, that works really well if you live in a large city where the broadcast channels, or the antennas rather, are pretty close. They have a range. All of them are based on miles. This digital flat screen one stands up, as you can see, on top of a cabinet, or you can place it near a window. And then this outdoor unit, well, this one has the largest range, over 100 miles, and can actually even be painted. The connection points are all very similar. Then after that, you hook it up and you go to your menu and you do a channel search. And what it'll do is search all the available channels to there. For the most part, no matter what antenna you choose, depending on where you live, they will all receive high definition, or HD, channels for broadcast. This particular unit here needs a little fine tuning if that's what you're going to do, but these other digital units all do them by yourself. That's it. Once you get the channels, you have positioned the antenna in the right spot, you have over-the-air broadcast that costs you nothing but the cost of the new antenna. Coming up next, my video on how to keep your tools organized with the Milwaukee Pack Out.